Hi everyone, myself N. Arun Kumar from SNS College of Technology in the Department of ECE. In this video, I am going to share about Moore and Melay in sequential circuits. So these are all the slides I am going to share in this video: introduction, Melay machine, Moore-based Melay machine, application and assessments. Introduction. Moore and Melay machines are playing vital role in digital logic circuits, especially for sequential circuits. It has been used for variety number of applications. Let me see how these applications will be implemented for Melay and Moore machines. First one is Melay machine. The only thing is the output is the function of the present state and the input. So the diagram shows that the output is dependent on both input as well as the present state. Present state means previous block diagram. So here they are given about state registers and new state combination circuit. So these are all as present state. So it will be dependent on both the input and present state Melay machines. For Moore machines, it will be based on the present state only. The output is here the output is combination circuit. The combination circuit is based on the present state only. So the present state here is next state combination circuit. So it is based on present state only. So we won't mind about the input of the corresponding signals. So the Moore machines having only the present state. And the student challenges in sequential circuit is confusion between the Moore and Melay circuits, because both are having the same. The thing is the input is differ by both the Moore and Melay circuits. So it will be the challenging one for the students. So it will be identified based on the finite state machine. So here FSM denotes that both Moore and Melay circuits. So here the time signal is identified that which will be given to the input, or it will are directly communicate to the receiver side. The next one is defined. So the sequential circuit is generally having clocks and register for all the circuits, and it will be based on input, present state and output. So these things will be considered for sequential circuits, and it has been used for ATM machines, elevator, vending machines also. Melay machines. So the output is dependent on both present state as well as the input signal. So the diagram shows that input is given to the combination logic circuits. Then the flip-flop has been decided in the present state of the system. So that it will be given both input as well as the present state to the combinations or logic circuit as the output. So finally we will get the output as both the present state as well as the input signals. So it is used for sensitive to change input changes. So here we are using lot of input signals to change the corresponding flip-flop conditions. And Moore machines. The Moore machine is depend based only on the present state only, so that it will not depend on any input signals. So it will communicate only the present state of the signal. So here the diagram next state logic is the present state. It will be given to the output of the systems. Moore as Melay machines. So already we have discussed that the Moore and Melay machines having present state and input. So in Moore Melay circuits, in Moore machine circuits, the states with the input transition is getting from the starting itself. So output has been decided from the starting itself. Whereas in Melay machine, it won't depend on the previous input signal, so that it will depend only on the present state. So the present state has been given as the output of the all the state of the systems. So the Moore and Melay machine has been identified and followed only from speed, states and stability of the system. Applications. So there are a lot of applications are used for this system, especially for Moore and Melay has been used like traffic light system and vending machines, elevator, digital locking systems. Here the diagram shows that traffic light systems. So based on the time delay management, we can able to configure and replace the signals with the help of some delays. So the mind mapping is the tool which is used to know about the present state of the Moore and Melay system in clear manner. If you are clicking any of the option like definition or system or control, means we will know about the corresponding factors with the help of this mind mapping. So here the peer learning is an activity. Begin with the Moore state diagram, then peer modified it into a Mealy diagram and discuss the differences. Consider flip-flop implementation for both versions. So the hint is in more states but output stable. In Mealy fewer state but the output change with the input. Assessment. So in speech recognition systems developed by Qualcomm company, which model is preferred due to the faster response to the inputs? So the thing is Moore machine, Mealy machine, both equally or neither. So the option is B. So B is the option for Mealy machine is the tool used for Qualcomm model for faster response of the time. Next one is in digital vending machines, the circuit is designed so that the output depend only on the current state. As well as we know that the current state means it is clearly know that it is a Moore machine. So these are some applications based questions. Reference. Uh, these slides are purely manufactured and it will be identified based on these websites. So based on the websites only I have taken all those notes, so kindly refer all those things for your Moore and Melay circuits. Thank you.